All right, we're back again for part two of I don't know how many parts series of wonderful videos on painting these fine minotaurs and our lovely owl bear there. Our next paint is going to be dark stone. We are going to apply it on the bases of each of these models. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it and try to keep the link down a little bit. And guys, this is a base coat. Doesn't have to be spectacular. Just don't hit any parts of the model you're not supposed to. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, Dark Stone is by the Army Painter, which means shake it like a Polaroid picture. I mean, like you mean it. I mean, like, shake it. All right. Quick look-see. Ooh. Like I said, nothing too fancy here, guys. Yeah. A little dark stone underneath them. Looking lovely. Isn't it nice? It's nice. You guys can do this too, I promise. All right. Back. Our next step, we're going to go ahead. We're going to do we're using the old tried and true method of 80-20. So we're going to leave 20% of the model uncovered as it is, and 80% we're going to cover with the next color, which is going to depend on which model. Okay, in the case of, or which part of the model. We're going to scale up to Griffin Tan and Woodland Brown now. So I'll go ahead and do that and pause. All right, slight correction. We're going to Monster Brown and Griffin Tan. Monster Brown and Griffin Tan. The Woodland Brown's our final highlight for the light or the darker of the two. All right. Just a quick reminder, with our Monster Brown, it is Army Painter, so you're going to shake the snot out of it. Okay, also of note, we're going to a smaller brush. This is our Army Painter detail brush. Okay, we're going to go to that because we're going to be, this is a little more precise than just base coating. All right, to give you an idea of what we're doing. There you go. Yep, just adding that Monster Brown over the top of our umber and leaving a little bit of the umber. And we're going to get some highlights doing that. All right, not rocket science, but it does take a steady hand, and you don't want to get it anywhere you don't want it. And now we're going to add some of that Monster Brown to our owl bear. And it's just going to give us a nice little change of pace there at the front of the model. Just a little subtle change in that color. And, make it look more organic. All right, we're going to go to our Griffin Tan. Griffin Tan for the other one. But here's what we got so far. There you go. Griffin Tan is going on this guy. So, Griffin Tan will be our next color. Yay. Now, Griffin Tan is from the, you'll shake it, but you don't shake it like you do the other stuff. This is the HD paint. I don't know why, but this paint was not well received, and as such, I got a nice deal on it. So we'll use it, see how it looks. Maybe we'll find out why it's not well received. All right. Here we go. Now you can see what we're getting at here, can't you? Now, normally you wouldn't want your gradient to be this extreme on your first pass, but we're doing a quickie paint job. So it's okay. Yeah, this is a fast paint. So it's all good in the hood. Next up, we're going to go ahead and finish off the highlighting on the body. And to do that, we're going to go to our next colors. Woodland brown, desert yellow, respectively. And yeah, see what we come up with here. All right, so far so good. All right, after applying the woodland brown, this is what we have. Again, as you can see, not rocket science. And here's the woodland brown on our other friend. Which is mostly just in some of his hair, right? The main. Because remember, these two are mirrors of each other. All right. Going to go now to desert yellow. Going to have to shake the dickens out of this one because it is... What is it? Army Painter. And now we're going to apply the desert yellow to our owlbear. Okay. Yep. It's going to be amazing. All right, let's have a look at these bad boys. Mirrors of each other. Well, if only we could get a decent shot, huh? All right, that's what we're working with right now, guys. And we'll get to the next video very soon. This is what we got so far. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. You can do this.